Want to make a full video using just AI, no camera, no mic, no editing skills? Let me tell you how in 10 minutes. Step 1. Write your script. Use ChatGPT. Prompt: write a 2-minute YouTube script about your topic, in an engaging, curious tone. Step 2. Generate your voiceover. Go to PlayHT or 11 Labs. Paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio. Step 3. Create the video. Upload your script into Pictory. It auto-generates visuals, adds captions, and syncs your voice. Choose your style: cinematic, casual, vlog style, all done in minutes. Step 4. Polish and export. Trim anything extra, select brand colors, and add music if needed. Then export, and it's ready to upload. You've just made a full AI video, no editing team is required. If you're not doing this yet, you're already behind. Subscribe to iWisdom Weekly for more fast tutorials, tools, and trends. Let's build your AI-powered future.